New Age Satanism Exposed fits very well with 2 Corinthians 11, 14, 15. Solar worship and other such worship is just indirect serving of demons. Jesus is a Lucifer, and that is what those who worship him miss. That we can be Lucifers too. Because at its core, Luciferianism is beyond any particular theology. Islam is not a new age, nor a self-divinizing religion, but it does deny that one needs to go through churches and others for worthiness or even opinions. It's not one that believes in gender about divinity. It doesn't believe in vicarious suffering or anything like that. Obviously, the New Age predictions about the year 2000, the year 2012, and the year 2020 of the Common Era didn't take place. Now, 2012 is the only thing mentioned on this program. I think that it was originally a VHS. Humanity needs to bring out their own light with the ancient knowledge and ability. Neither Christ nor Antichrist of any sort will be brought about without those ready for them. I would agree that Oprah, her guests, and many of these New Age teachers seem sinister in their expression, but they generally deny the power of devils. By definition, a Messiah or Christ must become, so we can too. If people study and practice works, it doesn't take spiritual experience to produce spiritual books that align with or expound upon or summarize or whatever other books. And there is some spiritual experience that some of these individuals have, though. And a lot of the New Agers really could flip the coin and become Satanists. But, it's not the same thing. But I do understand how people consider it to be soft or disguised Satanism.